It's been hidden for over 40 years, a 67 Chevelle that hasn't seen daylight since 1980. We hunt it down, drag it out, and bring this American muscle car back home where it belongs. This is Saving the Chevelle, and the rescue mission starts now.
Still had the factory air cleaner, no headers. I mean, this thing was sweet.
Well, I made it. It's beautiful over here, Valley of the Sun. It's sunny, but right there. I'm gonna try and load this rear end up in the back of the truck. Let's see if I can do it without breaking my back.